Hi, this is Rick Storley from New Home Sales Coach, and we're continuing our conversation on shoestring realtor advertising ideas. And this is getting your realtor outreach program set up and running. Our last video, we talked about your VIP program. Now we're moving on to how to identify realtors for that program. Now, here's a mistake I see builders making. You take a shotgun approach with your realtor outreach program. And what we need to do is focus on the 5 to 10% of realtors in your specific geographic market area, in your specific price point, and in your specific product type, meaning association maintained or single family home, that are actually doing something. Because in real estate, it's not 80-20. It's 5 to 10% of the realtors are doing 90 to 95% of the business. So we're going to show you how to go about finding those people and getting them into your program. Now, the sheet on the screen is the basic steps you need to follow to get this information. Now, keep in mind there are over 800, maybe 900 different MLS systems in the US, and if you're in Canada, there's more than that. So this is based on one particular MLS system. You're going to follow these same basic steps, but the idea is we want to identify these people and then export them into an Excel spreadsheet. So you go under your MLS, you're going to search again by your product type, by your price range, and by your geographic area. Now keep in mind, once you get down to searching in your geographic area, you want to search in the area that is what your buyers are also going to search by. So if it's school district, search by that. If it's within a certain mile radius of your location, search by that. And then I typically go back a year from today's date. We're looking to get around 100 names. So if your search results for solds and pendings are yielding more than 100 or less than 100, adjust your parameters, meaning you're going to tighten them up. Your price range, for an example, in this case is 250 to 375. Maybe you need to go 250 to 350, but tighten them up or loosen them if you're not getting enough. But you were looking for about 100 people. So once we've identified those total numbers, we want to export them. We want to go and export them into an Excel spreadsheet. So once you export them out of your MLS system, you want to open up a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet and then go to the Data tab, choose Import External Data or Import Data, and then we're looking for our All Fields file. So we import that into the spreadsheet, and then we're going to look for these four things. So a listing agent number, a listing office ID, a selling agent name, and a selling office name. Everything else can be deleted. We take those particular columns and we move them to A, B, D, and E on the spreadsheet. And we want to leave C open for a reason. And then we're going to go ahead and sort the numbers and names. So we highlight rows 2 plus for the listing agent number and listing office ID number. Then we go into the Data tab, we select the Sort button, and we sort both the listing agent IDs and their corresponding office IDs. What we're looking for is this: someone that has sold multiple properties, or an office that has sold multiple properties. We want to identify who are those people, or who are those offices, what are those offices that are doing the most business. Those are your primary agents and offices you're going to target. So we're going to do the same process for the selling agent and the selling office columns. Then we go to the roster, agent roster. In this case it was a North Star MLS, but on your MLS you're going to do an agent lookup. You copy and paste the numbers, the agent numbers that identify the agents, into the MLS, and you're going to find their name, address, email, and phone numbers. So we copy and paste the contact information back into the Excel spreadsheet on a new tab, and then make sure, of course, you've got the last name in one column, the first name in one column, the phone number, and that sort of thing, so you can import this into your CRM program. This is a fantastic way to pinpoint the realtors that are doing business in your particular geographic area and price range and product type. And then we will start to build relationships in the next video with the top 10, and I'll show you how to do that. Happy selling.